Hey everyone! Welcome to day one of our 24-day Python coding challenge. If you're new to Python or want to strengthen your coding skills, you're in the right place. By the end of this challenge, you'll be comfortable with Python basics and even build small projects. Let's get started. What we'll cover today: installing Python, running Python code, printing your first program. Go to python.org and download Python. During the installation process, make sure to check Add to Path. Verify installation by opening your terminal or command prompt or PowerShell and type Python version. You should see the version number Python 3.12.4. Now let's run our first Python program. Open a text editor versus code, pycharm, or any editor and create a file called day1.py. Type this simple code, print, hello, Python world. Now let's explain what this means before running it. Print is a built-in Python function that is used to display text or data. Text inside quotation marks. Hello, Python world is a string. Strings in Python can be enclosed in single or double quotes. To run the code, you go back to your terminal and type Python code, which Python, then the name of the file, which is day1.py. You should get a result like this. Hello, Python world. Congrats! You've just written your first Python program. Now mini task challenge. Modify the program to ask for the user's name and greet them. Now here's a code sample. Name equals input. What is your name? Print. Welcome to Python, plus name plus exclamation point. Try it out and submit result. That's it for day one. Today, we installed Python and wrote our first program. Tomorrow, we'll dive into variables and data types. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss day two. Drop a comment if you have any questions.